Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Libby here. Today we are doing our eyeshadow. My sister's going to be off camera doing hers as well. I'm going to be teaching her. This is my first time teaching somebody like this, so hopefully I'm a good teacher. We're going to see her eye makeup at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. We're actually going to start off with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm only talking over this part because I didn't have audio for that part because of the music. So later on, you're going to hear my voice come in and try to teach somebody how to do their makeup. Oh, and sorry for the blurry video. I didn't know it was blurry. Then you just blend out. You take little by little and just keep moving around. You see how light it is? It's not as dark. And then you look, just swipe it back and forth.
And I'm doing it wrong.
You're fine. Alright, I want to do a cut crease, which is kind of,
What did you do?
it's fun.
You cut the crease? What is that?
Yeah. So take your concealer brush, the concealer brush that you had, and some concealer. That's him.
Did in and out.
And you're gonna tap just the tip of it. Now, you're gonna put it down here, like that. All right. Now, okay, stop. Look. Now you're gonna look up like this. Now close your eyes. That's where your crease is gonna be, right? So you're gonna take that and you're gonna slowly tap, creating a smooth line to go to your inner corner. Can you see? I don't know if you see me. Like that.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
From where it ended?
Mm-hmm.
Like that? Yeah.
Don't like drag it. You just gonna, you see where the top of it is?
Mm-hmm.
Tap it right
here?
where the top of it is. Yep. And tap it.
On the way down?
Yep. Make sure it's rounded.
Do I do it the other way or
Yes.
just down?
You're gonna do it the other way too. Now, when you do it the other way, or stop right there, you want to make, look, you're going to make it look like a wing. Going a little bit past your eyebrows. Use this color, the Festival by Juvia's Place. So we're going to use the color Ivory G. Ivory G? I do not know how to say that. This color right here. Why do I always close it? I don't know. Alright, we're going to take this flat brush on. This flat brush. And then we're going to go from the outside.
You're going to blend this in?
No.
Okay.
You're just going to tap on top of where you created the lines, like your wing. We're just going to pack it on. We're not going to blend it. And don't worry if it get like underneath it. We're going to clean it up later.
They're clever.
In the Zulu palette, and we're gonna use this shade right here. Doesn't have a name on it. Now, I'm just gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do it where it's no where it's no shadow at. Then we're gonna go into this. And that's, you can put some on, yeah. Then that's gonna go underneath the eye.
Oh, okay.
Now that, you might have to pack on because it's not.
Let's see it. Like under, like on top of your lash or under your lash?
Under your lash.
Damn, it makes me wonder what we're gonna do with the silver. Shit. Got all these other colors on here. Bright as shit.
You picked them, we used them. She picked them, and we using all the colors she picked. Even though she's not on camera, but I'm gonna take a picture and show you at the end. Next, you're gonna use this in the inner corner. We're gonna do the rest of our face off camera, and then we're gonna come back and show you the finishing result. Okay? Okay. Okay guys, this is the finished look, and she did hers off camera, and I think she did a good job.
Be extra close.
Whenever she comes. Take the glasses off. Don't it look nice? Fucking humping in my ear. It look nice, right? Look exactly the same. Except we got different lashes on. Anyway, I had fun doing this. Did you have fun? Even though you wasn't on camera? Hope you guys had a good time with me doing this, teaching somebody how to do makeup. Never did that before. Have I? Yeah, I have. But not on camera. But hope you guys had a good time with me. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time that I upload, and that'll be every Saturday. Bye.